This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Watch OS is current and your iPhone pairing is active. This avoids missing features. Once done, open Settings directly on the Apple Watch or the Watch app on your iPhone to speed navigation. Make sure to go to General, then Keyboard, or if you use accessibility shortcuts, check accessibility typing. You're preparing the interface where input methods change, so do this now rather than later to keep the rest of the steps smooth and quick. You'll enable the Watch's keyboard features next. Turn on Scribble, Dictation, and the full keyboard option if available. Once enabled, open an app with a text field like Messages or Notes. Tap a reply area to force the input panel. Then swipe or tap the input mode icon to switch between dictation, scribble, emoji, and the keyboard. This sequence changes the active input and lets you confirm the keyboard appears and types as expected before finalizing your routine. You finish by adjusting layout and language in keyboard settings and adding any shortcuts you use often. This personalizes typing. If the keyboard doesn't show, restart both the Apple Watch and the paired iPhone, because simple restarts resolve many pairing or input glitches. If problems persist, reset keyboard settings or unpair and repair the watch as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: verify Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.